Here's the most powerful manifestation technique to attract what you want without working any harder at all. Literally one shift and you align yourself with the energy of what it is that you want so you can see it come into your life without you having to hustle and grind to make it happen. This is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com, and let's dive right into this video. So the law of attraction simply states that like attracts like. You're an energy field, that's all you are. And everything and anything that you want is an energy field as well. Because everything in this physical universe is energy moving at a speed that is comparable to the speed of light. So the energy that's vibrating looks to our limited physical senses to be a solid object. Everything is energy. The most powerful way in the world to connect into that powerful place to attract what you want is to connect with the energy of what it is that you want. Every energy, all of this energy in the world, comes from one source. Some people call that universe, some people call that God, some people call it spirit. Call it whatever you want to call it. Alan Watts says that you cannot get wet by the word water. Call it God, life, universe, higher power, love, spirit, consciousness, energy. It doesn't matter. But there's one originating force in our universe. Now, if you can connect to that force, then essentially what you're doing is you're erasing all limitations and physical barriers, limiting belief systems, and things that you might have inherited from our predominantly negative world, the way that it has conditioned us through our culture. Connect with God, connect with the universe, you can attract anything you want. Well, the most powerful way to do that is to give appreciation for creation in its many forms. Why? Because what you're doing is expressing your ultimate reverence to that higher power, whatever word you want to use and whatever that higher power means to you, it doesn't matter. But when you can connect in gratitude, appreciation, honor, and reverence for it and the creation itself, what you're doing is literally connecting to the source, to the force, to the most powerful energy in all of creation so that you can bend, manipulate, and mold the universe towards your own personal desires. Now, the way to do that is literally gratitude. So in this exercise, in this video, what I invite you to do is start a really quick, easy practice where you write 5 things every single day that you're grateful for, things that are already in your experience, like real things, quote unquote. And then after you do that, 5 things that have not happened yet, you write that you're grateful that they've happened. So the word starts with, I'm so grateful now that. I am so grateful now that. So it might look like this. I'm so grateful that I have an inspiring YouTube channel that uplifts me. There's over 280,000 subscribers on it, and I'm so grateful to the people that watch my videos every day. Like, if you comment every single day, if you like the videos, if you watch them every single day, if you share this with people, I am so freaking grateful. That's an example of being grateful for something in real life. That's my own personal experience. Like, truly, I'm so grateful for you. You don't even know. Like, my life is complete from it. That's me expressing gratitude for something that already exists. Do 5 things like that already exist. It might be that you had the money to pay for a coffee today. It could be anything. And then 5 things that have not. So I would say, I'm so grateful that I have over 1 million YouTube subscribers and that I'm getting 10 million views a month, whatever it is, right? Or it might be you're so grateful that you're making $1,000 a month on your new side business you want to start, or that your income is X amount, or your health is this. It's things that you want to manifest, but what you're doing is you're stating them in the present tense. I'm so grateful that. And so you start with the things that already exist. Now, the reason that you do that is because you're priming your mind and you're actually stimulating your nervous system to get in a state of appreciation. So when you get to the things that have not happened yet and you're stating them as if they already did, which it says in the Bible to call the things that do not exist as though they already did. That's how you move mountains. That's how Jesus moved mountains, by calling the things that quote unquote didn't exist as if they already were. And so you're already priming your brain and your nervous system so that you can influence and impact your subconscious mind to connect to the universal power. And so then you do the 5 things that you want to manifest. This is a super simple exercise. Literally, it'll take you 5, 10, 15 minutes. 15 minutes is if you're just really enjoying it and you're really taking your time. Really, you're looking at about 5 minutes. Literally, for 30 days, try this and see what happens in your life. Do that in the morning. If you can, do it twice a day, but once a day is fine. 5 things that you're grateful for that already exist. It could be anything. And then 5 things that you want to manifest, but you're going to state them in the present tense. Now, when you're writing, practice feeling it and getting involved in it. I mean, I've had the number one manifestation technique I've used for 8 years to go from a 19-year-old college dropout to publishing my books with the world's #1 publisher, Penguin Random House, to building this YouTube channel that now gets a few million views a month, to turning what was my annual income into my monthly income, like attracting my soulmate, all of these things for me that have come true. I used to write about them as if they had already happened while expressing gratitude for them. So I'm really excited to hear and see the things that transpire and fall in place into your life from this. So this is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com, and if you really want to amplify your manifestation power, download my free success hypnosis down below. It's free, jakeshypnosis.com, and play it very softly while you do this exercise. So while you're gratituding is what my wife and I call it, gratituding. Literally let it play softly. So what's happening is you're engaging all of your senses when you incorporate that as well. So it's jakeshypnosis.com right there down below. It's free. Download that. I can't wait to hear about the 5 things you're grateful for that already exist, and then the 5 things that you intend to manifest, but you're talking about them in the present tense as if you're already grateful for them. I can't wait to hear about the things that unfold in your life. For now, comment 1 thing that you're grateful for. I'm grateful for you, truly, like dead serious. Look into my eyes. I'm so damn grateful for you. If you watch this video all the way through, I know life's busy. You have things to do. There's a million other YouTube channels. If you spent the time to watch this all the way through, I love you. I appreciate you. I'm sending you great vibes. Please share with me 1 thing that you are grateful for today. Hit the subscribe button and the bell notification. Even if you already subscribed before, make sure double check you've hit the bell notification right over there in the corner. If you haven't subscribed yet, please double check and see that you do hit that. Like this video to support the channel. Share with me 1 thing that you're grateful for. Have a beautiful day, and I can't wait to hear about your manifestation results using the power of gratitude to amplify your vibration.